All right, now we change the music to a little bit easy listening Jamaican baby. Today what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you something how to make pestos. Basil, parsley, all those kind of things. You can't really keep them in the fridge there too long, and it's something that you need when you need it. So what I do, as you can see here, I make little jars. I'm running out of parsley, that's why I got so much parsley. I'm getting parsley. I make sage pesto, which if you don't know what the plant looks like, because nobody knows nothing anymore, this is what it looks like. Okay, and over here we have the basil pesto. What I do is make it simple. Okay, remember that story, make it simple, stupid? It really means make it simple, stupid. Because if you complicate things, like our government does, you get lost. Okay? So we're gonna make a simple house pesto, and I don't use pignoli nuts. Because pignoli nuts to me is like eating wet peanuts. What the hell is to eat wet peanuts? And they're too expensive anyway, you don't really need them. You want the flavor of the basil. Obviously the garlic, and so what the main ingredients is this. Olive oil. Fresh peeled garlic, not in water, just fresh peeled. Okay, you can get away with this one. And then we have sea salt and pepper. So what we do is, before we do that, come here for a second. I'm gonna teach you a little something else too, because we gotta make it knowledgeable. When you have to peel the basil, don't get all confused. Grab it from the top, put your fingers on there, and shoot out the rest. And then you break the top. And you got the stem right here. And you go so forth and so on. Okay? That's how you peel it. Now, what I'm going to teach you is this, that when you do that, you could take these stems right here, and if you cut them at a slant, like this, that fell on the floor, leave it there. You cut them at a slant like this, you could replant them into the dirt, and this will give you more fresh basil. Okay? That's a choice if you want to do it, and it will work. Okay? So I have most of this stuff over here, and as you can tell, I like pesto. Look at all this basil. You can come closer. Okay? So now what we do is this. Fill this up. We put, depends on how much garlic you like because you're making it. Okay, I usually like to put one of these things full. I like to put about 3 cloves. Then we put a nice pinch of salt, a nice pinch of pepper. You got extra virgin olive oil. Don't be shy. Or if you really want and you don't like olive oil, you can use sesame oil. If you use grapeseed oil, it's the best. It's 4 times better than olive oil for your health. And then what we do is we turn it on. And you watch it and make sure it mixes. So I throw a little bit extra on top. Make sure everything's in there. And voila, look at that. Nice. Pesto with flavor and the way it's supposed to be. Instead of buying those little jars from the store that look black and it costs $4, once you have it like this, you put it in a container, you put a little bit of olive oil on top, like I've done with this, okay, to make sure it seals it, and you'll always have fresh herbs. That's why we're playing Jamaican music, because we're playing with herbs. And like I said, that applies to everything. To making this, to making sage, parsley, and basil pestos. And then you put them inside your fridge. It lasts a long time, and it adds a lot of flavor. Okay? And that'll be it for today, unless I change my mind later when I'm cooking again. But it's my pesto session. I hope you enjoy it. And if you did, you gotta open up your mind. Ciao.